I searched how to buy shares of CoinShares International Limited, and I will walk you through the steps. CoinShares is a digital asset investment firm listed on CBOE under the ticker CS.ST. And this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy CS.ST, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CS.ST to find the listing. Confirm you select the CoinShares International Limited entry. Open the asset page to review basic company details and the price chart. Make sure the company description and ticker CS.ST match before proceeding. Tap Invest, choose the amount you want to buy, then review the order and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a pending instruction, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your CoinShares position will appear in your portfolio view. Find the link to eToro in the description if you want to follow the same steps.